Hey, it's Sam out from Little Travel Restraints. We're down here at St. Mary's, and you wouldn't believe what we've got today. We've got a Toyota Yaris. I mean, have a look at it. It's not the biggest of cars, but we need to get seats in it. And now this car, the customer has 3 children. She's got twins, and she's got a 4-year-old. So what we need to do is get 3 seats in here. The job's been done, but I just want to show you that, can it be done? Can we get 3 seats in the Yaris? Well, what was impossible, I made it possible. So let's have a look at this. Here we have, as you can see, we've got the Maxi Guard, okay, and we've got 2 of the EA Graphenes. Have a look at the back here, okay. You can almost see that through there. I'll show it on the driver's side here. 2 in a rear-facing position. Talk about a job well done. Twins and a 4-year-old in a Toyota Yaris. We made it happen. Have a check this out. Hey, it locks. On this side, just to show and just to prove. Hey, it locks. I'm Sam. I hope this has been helpful. Remember, if you've got any seats in a small car like Yaris's, it's what seats you choose. I'm Sam. We'll catch you on the next video.